What's going on? This is Roland from KompaKeyboardSchool.com, and I got something for you today, guys. Guys, I received a request to do Boko by Enposib. That song Boko. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not into that type of, that type of word or whatever, but the song is hard. It's a beautiful song. I found out it's in the key of B, so that's your B scale. It's just all the black keys with these two backwards L. That's what I call the B and the E key. They're like backwards L's. Okay, so what I'm hearing is a 6, which is your A flat minor. Then I'm hearing a 3, which is your E flat minor. Then I'm hearing a 2, which is your D flat minor. Then I'm hearing a G flat major, which is your 5. So I'm hearing a 6, 3, 2, 5. So it's a beautiful thing here. So it's good to have a solo that has some, not too smooth, but some feeling to it. It can be smooth though. So we're gonna use this solo sound. So what am I hearing? The first thing you hear is this. So right now we're automatically on the A minor, A flat minor. So, but he's taking the second. Remember what I told you guys playing with the second? Now you can play with all these notes when you're on the A minor. And it's kind of like a blues scale thing they're doing there. So that's just your 1, 7, 1, 6. B, B flat, B, A flat. And this is A flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, A flat. So these are like common 3 notes at a time. Those are like kind of common in Kompa. We're gonna break that down later on in the lesson. And what I like what he does here is he starts from this 5 and lands on the 4. And then I like how he finishes it here. He's just using lead notes. He's leading the notes to get to the next note, which is in my course if you go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. So while he's on the A minor, he goes. So while he's on the 3, he does this. While he's on the E flat minor, then he goes. So he's doing this because now he's on the D flat minor. So he's kind of using the notes leading to the next note. So one thing I want you guys to pay attention to, when he hits this, he's doing it while you're literally on the G flat minor. And if you notice, none of those notes in the G flat minor has to do with this. So he hits this wide because his ending chord is this. So he's kind of going to the A flat minor a little early, but you could do that when you're soloing. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. So when he does that, even though he's not on this yet, he's going to go to that next. And also when he does this, technically he's on the 3, which is E flat minor, but he does that before he gets to this. This is the note that applies to this. So when he goes, so he's kind of using notes before he gets to the chord in the progression. And you guys are gonna see, if you guys start implementing that more and more, because I remember in some of the lessons we learned that you're supposed to use notes which are on your progression. He's actually using the notes which are in the chord of the next, which are in the next chord. So that's the good thing about what he's doing in this one. So, and I like how he finishes it. He does something like this. So we're gonna learn that, guys. So he goes. So right now he's on the 2, so he's using this E. And he hits that. He's on the 5, but he's still using this note. He's been using it on the 5 the whole time. Then this is how he ends it. A fast slide down from D flat to the C to the B. And you can use this technique in a lot of solos. This 3, 2, flat 2, then 1. So we're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Beautiful, guys, a beautiful solo. So guys, look, this is Roland Blase. If you have any requests, this song was requested by someone in the comments. Guys, I actually read your comments. If you have any requests, go ahead and post them on the comments and I will do a lesson on the song. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips. You will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.